This drone here has been filming us for weeks. We're gonna take it down today.
And once we take it down, we can get the SD card from it and see who the stalker is.
The drone is right there. I'm gonna bring it down with this. Let's crush it. 3, 2, 1.
You went the opposite way! I went all the way over there!
We got 2 more. Let's try again.
Okay, let's try again, guys. It's still there.
Let's do this.
It's right overhead, Regina.
3, 2, 1!
Way over there.
We didn't get the drone. We have one more shot.
And I'm wet.
We gotta wait for it, and then let's see if we can hit it. Pepsi.
Oh!
Where?
Where'd it go?
No! We spooked it a little bit. We gotta work on another plan.
We're taping this net onto one side of the bottle.
Definitely gonna catch the drone this time.
It's a good plan, Melvin.
I'm gonna call this the Uncle Charlie.
While y'all are doing that, I'm gonna hack onto this drone, and maybe I can take the drone down that way. Easy peasy. But if not, at least I could hack onto the drone's footage and see their perspective of what they're seeing. Maybe the stalker will reveal himself in the drone footage, and we can see who he is, because it's not the chef. We were wrong about that. All right, let's hack. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Dang, this stalker's good. I can't hack onto the drone, but I can see the drone's camera. I can see the perspective of what the drone is filming.
Is it still around us, Regina?
Yeah, he's in the area. Maybe it's coming back. It's coming back to our house.
This is the perfect time.
Melvin, let's do this. Let's get this thing down.
The drone's there.
Where is it, Regina?
Right there.
It's a good time to shoot it.
Okay, it's coming.
Is it coming, Regina?
Yeah! Look out, I hear it! Wait, guys, the drone's right there! Yeah, you're good! It's coming!
3, 2, 1.
What happened?
Oh no!
It's in the pool! And I got all wet!
I thought it was gonna work.
I thought so too. I thought I was gonna fly up, get a net, and then capture the drone.
Well, obviously it didn't work! It's still there!
Oh, check this out.
Oh!
Why don't we just crash Daniel's drone into it?
Whoa! When did you get a new drone?
Dang, that's a big boy!
Wow!
He's been making money.
You gotta have a drone battle royale?
Why not?
Wait, what about Daniel's drone, Melvin? We don't want to
Whatever.
break it. It's his property.
Whatever.
Yeah, we can buy Daniel a new drone.
Yeah.
That's fine. You know, he probably breaks it anyways.
Yeah, so go to town, Melvin. Get in the Battle Royale.
Yeah.
Drone edition.
If we knock it down, we can take the SD card out of it and see what else this drone has been filming.
Yeah, or possibly see the sucker's face, because we falsely accused the chef.
Spy Ninjas, I'm so sorry about the whole chef situation. Oh, we gotta do a little more investigating.
Well, the Spy Ninjas thought so too. We were all wrong.
Oh,
But it's time to find out the facts.
who is this stalker man?
Here we go. This might be the final voyage of Daniel's drone.
Oh, wow!
All right, let's crash into the other drone. We gotta look for it.
Oh, I see it!
Where?
It's right in front of it!
There it is.
Oh my god!
I don't know how to fly this.
Get closer!
It's right overhead. I see it.
Here's Daniel's drone! It's down! We got the drone! We got it!
Here it is! Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
It hit the tree! And it landed down!
Wait, this looks almost exactly the same as Daniel's drone.
Yeah, this one is orange.
Stalker, do you see us? Yeah, we're on to you.
Regina's gonna hack you right now!
Let's get the SD card from this drone. We'll see who the stalker is.
Yes!
A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yeah, I'm almost there.
Wait, Regina! Oh, what's that noise?
Oh,
Turn off! Turn off! Whoa! Oh my god!
Pull her back.
Ow! My hair! Are you okay? Oh my gosh, I almost took my hair out!
the stalker definitely knows we're on to him. He did this on purpose.
Yeah! Did we get any footage at all?
The drone is still right there, though.
We gotta try and hack into that drone again.
We were so close. We can definitely capture it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Wait,
Come on.
why is the drone just chilling like that?
They're coming after my hair? We all have long black hair, Melvin.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Protect your hairs.
Oh my god.
Wait, it's coming for us!
Oh my god. It's coming.
No, it's chasing us! Go!
Wait, should we split apart? Who's it following?
Let's split up!
Oh my gosh. Split up, guys. Split up. This is really weird because this is not the first time we've been followed, chased, or attacked by a drone. What is going on? Who is controlling this drone? Who is the stalker? If the stalker's not the chef, then who is it? Who would go after my hair? I hope Melvin and Regina are okay. Good thing I'm a tiny spy ninja. We are getting so close to getting this drone down, you guys. Once we get the drone down, Regina already know how to hack into the drone. So we gotta get it a little bit closer so then Regina can...
Right over here, big fly!
Oh! Get him, Melvin! Yes! Use your battle skill. He is the best fighter. Melvin's doing good. I hope he still has enough ammo. Oh, Regina!
I have an idea.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
You're gonna mop it or what's going on here?
No, this didn't work.
Okay.
But if we keep spooking the drone away with our methods of attack,
Yeah?
it's just gonna fly away and we'll never be able to capture it.
So you mean the drone's gonna get scared because they know that we're after them?
Yes! So whatever we do, don't let the drone fly away. We gotta keep it here.
That's true.
The drone's flying away!
What? No!
What?
Where is it? Where is it?
Come on! We have to capture this thing to find out who the stalker is. We can't go scaring it away.
Okay, well, let's chase after
Mobile
it.
Command Center!
Mobile Command Center!
The drone's still up there! We can catch up to it!
Yeah! You hop in the back, Regina!
Let's do this!
Oh! It's commando time! Wait, no!
What?
No!
Not that type of commando!
Yeah!
Oh, let's catch this drone.
You see this, stalker? We ain't playing no games! You're going down!
Here we go, we're gonna bring the drone down!
Time to take it down once for all.
Regina's in the back! What's your battle call, Melvin?
Oh, it's on!
Melvin, I'm so excited. We've never been on this kind of mission before. We're in a moving vehicle, taking down a drone.
We're gonna get you! We're gonna find you! We're gonna take you down! Are y'all ready?
I'm ready! This is gonna be great! Battle Royale time! Drone edition! Do you see the drone, Regina?
I see the drone! It's right on top of us! Right there! It's coming our way!
Melvin, do you see it?
I have to see the road.
Keep your eyes on the road. I'm gonna go up to the sky.
It's following us! Yes, V! Okay, V, the drone's right over there. Take this blaster and blast its guts out!
Oh, yeah! Safety off. I'm coming for you, drone! Yeah, it's getting... Is that the stalker? He knows what's going on. Oh my gosh, I gotta take this drone down!
Get him, V!
Yeah! 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 Oh! Oh!
Ah! V, get the drone!
I almost got it! It's going faster! Faster, Melvin, faster!
Okay.
Yeah! Come on, stalker! I'm not letting you take over our lives!
Good work, V. Yeah. Keep shooting at it.
Good driving, Melvin! A little bit to the left!
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm running low, Regina! Oh no! Do we have any more ammo in the back?
We ran out of ammo, V!
Oh no! Let's go to Plan B!
Plan B.
The stalker ain't ready for Plan B! Are you ready, V?
I'm ready! Alright, Plan B, Regina. I'm coming down, Melvin.
You ready to do it?
Yeah.
You can do it, V.
Okay, you hold on.
I'll drive carefully.
The drone's still following us!
Plan B. OMG.
OMG, V!
OMG.
You fit!
I fit! Yes!
Good work, girls.
Okay, are you gonna help me with Plan B?
Yeah, I'm helping. Let's do this, girl. It didn't work in the backyard, but it's gonna work on the mobile command center. Ah, there we go.
If plan B is gonna work, they're gonna have to be able to coach my direction from behind so they can get me into position.
B, I still hear the drone is still following us.
Okay,
20 PSI!
20 PSI?
That's pound per square inch. That shows the amount of air pressure that's inside the bottles.
Melvin says 20 PSI.
20 PSI!
Yes, pump, pump, pump. Spy Ninjas at home, do not try this. This is very dangerous, but we are trained professionals.
Pop it, B!
Okay, it's 20 PSI, Regina.
Let's commence the plan.
Yes.
You gotta be right underneath it.
We gotta be right underneath it, Melvin says. So we gotta wait for the drone to come. Come get us, little Joni boy.
And steer me left and right, guys.
Left,
Left!
right, a little bit more right.
Going right!
Okay, it's right on top of us.
Oh, that's good, Regina.
I see it!
In 3, 2, 1.
Do you guys get it? The drone is still up!
Did we get it? It's still there! It's still there!
What are we gonna do? The aquapod didn't work.
We have one more shot!
Come on, drone.
Yeah! It's not over it. We have a second aquapod.
Pump it, pump it.
Pump, 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 pump.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no! It's leaking!
Is it supposed to? I don't know. It's losing pressure because of the water.
Oh no, it's leaking!
Chaos, Melvin! Chaos! We almost hit a random truck. This is why you guys should definitely don't do this at home.
Is the drone still flying?
Not the drone.
Still flying! Oh no!
We didn't get it. It's still there.
The truck is all wet.
Oh no!
We're all wet back here!
Oh my God.
We're never gonna catch it!
The stalker is taunting us, you guys. Our plan's backfiring.
Wait a second. The drone's running lower and slower. That means it's running out of batteries.
You're right, Regina! It must have been everything that we've done to it so far! We're draining its battery!
Yes, this is working.
It's flying towards the park!
Oh no!
Chase it.
Hey, at least we can continue on foot now! This might be our chance! Come on, ladies!
Oh, thanks, Melvin.
Let's do this.
Okay. All right, we gotta get closer to the drone, you guys.
Right over there.
Okay.
Well, we can't spook it anymore. Let's take cover real quick.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, there it is. Weaving in and out of the trees. It's scared.
Yeah, it's low on battery.
This is our time.
I wonder where the pilot is. Why haven't we been able to see the pilot?
Well, it could be any of these random people disguised as park goers.
Well, now that we know that the stalker isn't Chef Crouton, who could
is
it
it?
be? Aliens?
No.
I mean, we've had suspects before. We've had the leak.
It's not a leak, okay? Guaranteed.
What about that crushed cater dude?
And I am glad to just be back with my friend.
Who are you?
I haven't been playing with him lately.
Or the guy that you guys saw at the mall.
That guy's the
Creepy guy.
sketchiest.
Yeah, he's actually very sketchy.
Didn't he exchange a briefcase with somebody? It's moving. Let's move up.
Moving.
Right here.
Wait, Melvin.
Yeah.
When Regina was out in the truck, we saw a motorcyclist. He was doing tricks and stuff.
He was going vroom.
You saw that?
So it could be that dude.
How is he piloting a motorcycle and piloting a drone? That's like uber dangerous.
That's a good point. I mean, why is the stalker even after us? What does this guy want?
Maybe he wanted something like I did when I was younger. Clout, fame, fortune.
I hear it. It's coming closer to us.
Okay, what should we do? Should we sneak up to it? I mean, we tried the battle royale. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Should we turn on our stealth mode and activate it?
Oh wait, there it is.
Oh my gosh, look how low and slow.
Good.
It's getting real close to that tree.
Okay, go, V. It's like camouflage. It looks like a ladybug in here.
Oh wow.
It's coming closer.
It's coming.
Whoa.
Wait.
Is it looking for us or are we looking for him?
It's gonna get my hair again.
Oh no.
gonna get close.
It's gonna get any of our hairs.
I don't think it spotted us.
Okay. Regina, how close do you have to be to the drone for you to hack it?
You still have the camera feed?
Yeah, I still have the camera feed.
It doesn't look like it's
It
looking
can't
for
see us right now.
Be careful. Oh gosh.
But it's circling, guys. It's getting close.
We just gotta think of a new plan and capture this dang drone.
If we're gonna be trying to capture this drone, then does anybody have any extra hair ties?
You got one on your wrist.
Oh.
Put your hair up.
It's time to catch this drone.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, he's coming close.
Wait, he's coming.
Why don't we just capture it now?
Oh, he's a bun dude.
Here you go.
Let's go. Oh no! No! This on-foot mission is hard! It's fast! I thought it was dying!
Hey! You stop!
That
Where
didn't
are you,
work.
drone? That really didn't work.
Stealth mode then. V, you got a stealth mode plan?
What if we split up, run around, and I'll use my stealth mode skill on the other side of it.
So you'll be the stealth? You'll be the distraction?
Yeah, if it's running away from us, then I'll try to chase the drone into where V's gonna be hiding.
Exactly, I'll be on the other side of the drone. It won't even see me coming. I'll use my jacket like a net, plop it, wrap it, and smash it.
Oh, shoot.
Yes, you ready?
You spiders at home don't want to miss this. The moment we catch this drone, we're gonna find out what's inside.
That's right, Stalker, we're coming for you.
What?
Spy?
Melvin!
Come on, Melvin.
Spy
Ninjas!
We hide.
Okay.
Melvin's getting ready to have the drone chase after him.
All right, I'm gonna try and hide away from the drone. And you're gonna film it all.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna be like the tech guy. You're gonna be, you're like Daniel. Oh, yeah, let's not talk about him right now.
Yeah. We're on an important mission. We can't have any distraction.
That's true.
We gotta keep our eye on the prize. Melvin's doing a great job right now. Look at him go.
Yeah. You know what? Actually, Daniel might be really good for this mission. You know, he might know more about drones. What the heck is he doing right now?
Oh, he's lie detecting Chef Crouton.
That's right.
Good thing Chad and Daniel are finding out more information.
Maybe Chef Crouton will tell us who the real stalker is. Gosh, everything's getting close, Regina.
Closer, it's good.
Get in position.
Get in position.
Okay.
Get Melvin go.
Oh no, he's getting tired.
Oh no, Melvin.
But it's getting close to us.
Just past us.
Go!
Okay, it's my turn now.
Go, V.
Good job, V!
You caught it! I caught it!
Oh my
Don't
gosh.
ever let it go. I'm not gonna let go of it.
My hair.
Careful your hair. Okay. That's it. We did it.
He has the same drone as Daniel's?
It is the same.
What the heck?
He's just trying to copy everything.
That's right, the stalker is a huge fan of the Spy Ninjas, so he's just copying everything.
Well, hey, check this out, guys. There you go. Regina, can you plug in?
Give it to me. Let me get this footage.
Guys, we've been having the stalker problem forever, and we thought it was over once we arrested Chef Crouton.
The problem continues, but it's gonna be solved right now, right, Regina?
The footage is all transferred, baby.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, why don't we watch it before we take it back to the safe house?